Hello CSIR Net 2022 champions. So guys, today in this video, I'll be discussing another very important topic, and today we will be discussing a topic from the electronics part. So if I'm going to talk about this one, it's about the sequential circuits. We will be doing the discussion in this video today, and this will be regarding the flip-flops. As most of the students keep this topic aside and they are not going to focus on it that much, the reason behind it is that they think it's quite complicated, difficult, and they are not getting it. So today I'll be making this topic quite simple and easy for you. I will let you know what are the things you have to consider, on what factors you need to focus, and what are the tricks we are going to have which will be making it quite simple and easy for you. And you will say like, oh, this much simple, we are going to have a topic in electronics. Clear? So let's talk about it. And in case if you will have any doubt or difficulty, surely mention that in the comments. We will try to talk about it. We will try to discuss that in our upcoming videos. Okay? Or I will just reply you in the comment section itself. So let's talk about it. But before I'm going to proceed further, I would like to tell you something about the Unacademy subscription. As today is the last day, that is 22nd July, for the offer which was going on, as per which you will be getting the 20% discount in the total subscription amount by using and by applying the referral code, which is Anjali A Live, as mentioned here on the screen. So if you want to get the 20% discount in the total subscription amount, you can take the subscription today and just simply use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali A Live. You just have to write it as it is, no space in between, and the spelling should be same. By using and by applying this referral code, you will be able to get the 20% discount in the total subscription amount. After taking the subscription, you will be able to join and attend the regular live classes of well-structured and well-planned courses by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy for your upcoming exam preparation. Also guys, if I'm going to talk about the next thing here, with all these courses by the top educators, you will get to know about the important tricks, concepts, and right approach to solve the questions, or we can say everything you need to know to do the best preparation for the upcoming exam. These are the benefits you will be getting if you will take the plus subscription, as you can see them here. These are the benefits you will get if you will take the iconic subscription. If I'm going to talk about this image, it will be making it clear to you, as in the white circle, whatever has been mentioned, these are the benefits you will get if you will take the plus subscription, or the other, including the blue color points and the benefits which have been mentioned, as well as the white color one, you will get in the iconic subscription. Clear? Also guys, some more details about the plus and the iconic subscription have been shown here on this screen. So if you will take the iconic subscription, for how much duration it's available, if you will take the plus subscription, for how much duration it's available, okay, as well as the referral code has been mentioned here. So if you are going to proceed further to take the subscription, or you want to do the best preparation for the upcoming exam, then you can take the subscription and take your preparation to the next level under the guidance of top educators. Now let's come to the main point, which is flip-flop. But as I want to make this topic quite simple and easy for you, so I want to tell you the topic in such a way that you will be able to relate each and everything, and you will find like, oh, it's so simple, so easy, and that's how the things will be taking place. So first of all, you have to get the latch. You have to understand the latch. Okay, when you are going to prepare the flip-flop topic. What is the latch actually? I'll be constructing it by using the NAND gate. Okay, so if I'm going to consider the NAND gates here, so this is our NAND gate, this is our NAND gate, this is one of the inputs, this is one of the inputs, so this is going to be SR input, let's say we will call it, and this is our output, this is our output. A little bit focus you have to do here to consider the circuit diagram, because if you will be considering it this way, you will not have any doubt or difficulty in making it any time, okay, and you will easily be able to just construct the circuit diagram, and you will be able to get it clearly. It's for the first time when you are preparing it now, it becomes important that you should have the idea about the circuit diagram, or we need to construct it, we need to make it. Once you will understand, then you can quickly do all these things. Done? So you can see what I have done here. I have provided one input, that's S, I have given it the name, then another R, and the output of the one NAND gate I have given as the input of the to the another NAND gate, and the other one's output I have given as the input to the first one. Okay, the outputs have been shown as Q and Q bar. Q, if it will have the value 1, the Q bar, the complement of Q, should have the value 0. If it will have the value 0, it should have the value 1. So that's the complement. This is known as the SR latch. What we call it? SR latch. So now there are different possibilities. One by one, I'll be showing you the different possibilities. Let's say S is 0, R is 0. So when S is 0, R is 0, we know, like, we will be assuming that our output here is 1. We are assuming this, okay? We have to. Why? Because we are not having the information about the both inputs of the NAND gate. So if it is 1, then what will happen? This 1 will go here, here, here. 1 and 0, 0, 0 complement will give us what? 1. Okay. This is 1. Let's take it here. 1, 0 complement is what? That's 1. So which means I'm getting the Q and Q bar, both the values same. Is it possible that any value and its complement is same? No. So which means it's a forbidden case. It's not allowed that Q and Q bar can't be same. So when I will be making the truth table, let me just show you that here. So how I will be taking those values. Let's say S, R and Q bar. Done. So if I'm going to write 0, 0 possibility I have taken, in that case, it's forbidden. One more thing I would like to show you, that if, see, I have assumed 1 earlier now. If I will be assuming it to be 0, then what will happen in the same case? If I'm taking it 0, then I'll take 0 here, 0, 0 complement 1, and 1, 0 complement, once again, I'm getting 1, which means I'm getting the same outputs. 0 I have assumed, but after simplification, I'm again getting 1 there, and also the other output 1, which is not possible. Hence, not allowed or forbidden, and that's why I have put a cross there. Okay, if I'm going to talk about the next thing here, that will be the other possibility I have to take. Let's say S0, R1. So if I'm taking S0 and R1, now I will again be assuming the value of Q. Let's say I'm taking it 1. So when it is 1, 1, 1 complement, 1 dot 1 and its complement will give you 0, and 0, 0 complement is giving you 1. Means it's giving you the same value back, which you have assumed there. But just for a little more clarification, I need to consider the other value. Let's say it's 0. So when it is 0, it will be 0. 0, 1 complement will be giving me 1. And I will take 1 here. And 1, 0 complement will give me 1 again. Which means it's not supporting the value. Means now when I'm taking 1, I'm getting the correct values, which were what? 1 and 0. So that was okay. Means its output will be what? 1 and 0. That's correct. Okay, because other time it's again generating a forbidden condition, which is not okay, which is not possible. So I have to consider the same value there, which is okay, which is something which is possible. Okay, and I can have that value. I can consider it. Now I will be considering the next condition here, which is going to be 1, and let's say it's 0. So 1 and 0. Now I will assume a value here. Let's say it's 0. So 0 and 0 complement 1. 1 and 1 complement 0. I'm getting the same value back. So I'm writing it right now here, but I would like to show you for the other case as well. Means if I will be taking it 1 now, then what will happen? 1, 0 complement 1 and 1, 1 complement 0. Means again I'm getting the 0 here. Okay. So that means my Q value is 0 in both the cases. Even if I have assumed it to be 1, I'm not getting the 1 back. So this is how you will be considering it, and that's how it's giving you the output. I hope it's getting clear to everyone. The last case is when it is 1 and it is also 1. So in that case, what will happen? In that case, let's assume the outputs now. So if I'm assuming this output to be 1, then 1, 1 complement will be 0 and 0, 1 complement will be 1. Means it's giving me what? What I have assumed, I'm getting it back. Means I have assumed 1, I'm getting the 1 back. But I would like to show you by taking 0 here. Then what will happen? 0, 1 complement will be 1 and 1, 1 complement will be 0. Again, I'm getting the same thing back, whatever I have assumed and I was considering that it will be there. So when I'm getting the same thing back in one case, I will say it's giving me the previous output. Previous means whatever I have assumed, I'm getting it back. Means it's previous. Whatever was there now, whatever was there on the output side, you will be getting it the same thing there. Now, this was what? This was the SR latch circuit. I hope everybody is getting it. We will be doing a little bit modification in this SR latch, okay, to make it the SR flip-flop now. Now, what kind of modification will be there? Let me just show you. We will be taking one more NAND gate here, okay, connect it with this. We will be taking one more NAND gate here, connect it with this. And now this is what? This is S and this is R. Now this is the SR flip-flop. For that you have to provide a clock pulse here. Clock means what? Clock can have the value high, means it can have the value 1, or clock can have the value 0, means it can be low. So when it will be 0, all the time I will just get 1 1 as the inputs. So when the clock will be 0, I'm getting the 1 1 for the latch input. Okay, so when I'm getting 1 1 as the latch input, I'll be getting the previous. So I have to just make it clear here that this is gonna be the truth table of what? It is for the latch, not for the flip-flop. But the circuit I'm showing you right now completely is for what? For the flip-flop. I hope that's getting clear to every one of you. Now, so this is what? This is our flip-flop circuit. When I'm giving you the clock value 0, doesn't matter what will be the S value or R value. It can be 0 0, it can be 0 1, it can be 1 1, it can be 1 0, anything. My outputs will be 1 1 only. Okay, so this is how I will have to consider it. And when they are 1 1, my output will remain previous. I hope you are getting it, guys. At the same time, if I will take the clock pulse value high, means 1, then when I will take 0 0 here, 1 0 complement 1, 1 0 complement 1, previous, means I will not even have to separately make the truth table, or I will not even have to memorize anything if I got the modification in the circuit, and I can easily get what kind of outputs I will have here. Okay, so even after explaining the latch part, now once I'm going to tell you about this thing, you will easily be able to relate it and get it clear. Now what will happen next? The next thing is, in this case, you will be still getting the forbidden condition. When your clock pulse is high and your SR values you are giving as 1 and 1, then you will get 0 and 0 here. So 0 0 will give you forbidden condition. Here comes a point. What is that point? That is that we have to do something to remove the forbidden condition. But what we can do to remove it? So for that, I can do the modification in the circuit. What kind of modifications? I'll show you with the blue color now that what kind of modifications you will be doing, and you will be constructing the JK flip-flop with this flip-flop particularly. So here you are just going to make one extra connection. This one, take it here, take it, and provide it one more input. Take it. Then you have to take the straight line, provide one more input. This circuit now with the additional blue color like connection with all the things which were already there is now becoming your JK flip-flop. Why we need it? Why we have to do this kind of modification? To remove the race around, to remove the forbidden condition, because the race around condition will be arising here. What it will be, how it will arise, I'll tell you in the next video. Now we are going to keep it this much right now, and one more trick which I was saying I'll be explaining, okay, or I'll talk about it. So it is going to be very much helpful to relate the outputs of the SR and the JK flip-flops easily, and that's a magical trick you can say, because it makes the things quite simple and easy, and quickly just by observing the inputs we are able to get the outputs with the trick. So I'll be sharing that in the next video too. Let's keep it this much, revise it, go through all the parts I have discussed here, all the points we have considered here, and just check it out. If in case you will have any doubt, mention it in the comments. I'll be talking about that too. Okay, and if everything is clear, that's great. And as I have shared this information with all of you guys, if you want to get the guidance by the top educators, then you can take the subscription and start your preparation under the guidance of top educators. Use and apply the referral code, that's Anjali A Live, as mentioned here on the screen. By using and by applying this referral code, you will be able to get the discount in the total subscription amount. As per the offer today, if anybody will be taking the subscription, will get the 20% discount in the total subscription amount. And all these courses will be helping you a lot to take your preparation to the next level under the guidance of top educators. One more thing guys, I would like to tell you that if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and you can share the videos with your friends too if you are finding them helpful. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end, for joining this session too. Thank you everyone.